Hello, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Josh, and I'm a cop.
And my name is Babe, and I cook for the cop.
Did you just infect me?
I hope so.
In continuing with our quarantined theme meals that we've been doing lately on our channel, pulled some stuff out of the pantry, a little bit of bread, a little bit of cheese. We're gonna make a French bread pizza in the oven. Simple stuff. We have it in the pantry, readily available. You can still get it, not a problem. And it's gonna be super delicious. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and it'll be ready to roll. So, French bread pizza. Babe's gonna show you how to make it. Quarantined in the house. And yeah.
Deliciousness.
Deliciousness. You guys, make this. Don't just
Great
eat,
for the kids, too.
Don't just eat top ramen and fill yourself full of sodium and stuff like that during the quarantine. Make a couple little different things. Try and get some fresh fruits, vegetables, juices. And when you want to splurge, make a French bread pizza.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, babe. Just stuff we had. So we grabbed our pepperoni and our mozzarella
Half
cheese.
a bag of mozzarella.
Yes. We found marinara. We got some ricotta. And we did get a fresh French baguette, which is going to be the base of this whole meal. Okay.
So we were able to pick up fresh bread today, which is good.
Okay. So
How big is this pizza going to be?
huge.
Huge pizza.
There's only 3 of us. So
Huge pizza alert.
I sure hope you guys are hungry. So we're going to cut it in half. Just go down the whole baguette. And there we have that.
That's a lot of pizza, babe.
It's a lot. You want to cut it in half?
I mean, all 3 of us aren't going to have that. Maybe we could save some of the bread for later and just make one pizza right now.
Okay.
What do you think?
That. I think that's a great idea. Let's do...
We're going to ration our bread.
Yeah, let's just cut like here. And we will save all of this.
Okay.
Okay.
First ingredient, babe.
First, and my favorite, actually, is the ricotta. So you have to lay this down first, because if you try to put it over the sauce, you're just going to have a mess on your hands.
So what are you doing, babe?
All right, so we need to put a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of garlic powder. That's
So you're doing a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of garlic powder, and the ricotta mixed up. But you could just slap down the ricotta on the bread, either way.
whatever you want to do. I'm just giving it a little extra flavor.
You're using garlic salt.
Yeah, that all mixed up. Okay. So you want to spread it out. You don't want it too thick. Ricotta is so delicious. And we could use the leftovers to make a little lasagna.
Babe, why is ricotta so expensive?
I don't know. It must be hard to make or something. It's really yummy. Okay, babe, next up is our marinara. This one is Carmagnola. I don't know.
Weird, that just appeared out of the pantry? The
Yeah.
pantry monster gave it to you.
I'm sure I got it somewhere. Look at that, babe. How delish.
Uh-oh, you're digging back in the pantry. Are you consulting the pantry monster?
Oregano. Sage. Fennel.
Oh boy. Don't let the pantry monster eat your hand.
Okay, this pantry is so crazy. I was looking for oregano, but our pantry monster ate it because you should see the spices.
So what's that, babe? Let's see.
This is just Italian blend.
Oh, okay. Well, because oftentimes when you buy these...
Yeah, it's very bland. The sauce is very bland. So we're gonna add a little bit of flavor. Next up, mozzarella.
Okay, babe. So we had a half bag of mozzarella left.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, babe. Look at that beauty. This is gonna be really delicious, I think. You know how else you can make homemade pizzas? English muffins.
Those are good.
When I was a kid, we used to make those.
Actually, one of our fellow YouTube creators, Smokin' Joe's Pit Barbecue, just did an English muffin pizza smoked on his smoker on
really?
English muffins
Oh, how funny.
with his daughter, I believe.
Yeah,
And it was really cool.
That's a kid thing. That's what my mom used to do with us. Okay, there's our cheese. So far we have ricotta, sauce, Italian seasoning, mozzarella cheese. Next up, pepperoni.
You're getting good coverage.
Yeah. Does that look good?
Mm-hmm.
A little bit more cheese. Our oven has been preheated to 400 degrees. We're gonna stick it in. We're gonna start checking it at 10 minutes. So depending on your elevation or your oven or whatever, it can take any time between 10 and 15 minutes. Okay. It's gonna be delicious. Okay, babe, these look perfect.
So it's been 15 minutes exactly.
Yes.
That's hot.
So we have to let it cool for a minute, and then we're gonna cut it up
Okay.
and eat it. And it's gonna be so tasty. I'm ready for this. I'm ready to cut it.
Babe, I think the quarantine has gotten to you.
I know. I'm gonna protect myself, okay? Okay. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Okay. I was hoping that would work. Yeah, babe. Oh, yeah. How's that look? With our skills. So, it smells really good. The ricotta, the sauce, the mozzarella cheese, the pepperoni, all the flavors are gonna come together perfectly, and hopefully I don't burn my mouth.
That's probably gonna happen.
Oh, it's hot. It's almost like a lasagna on bread. It's really good. I think because of the ricotta, that's really good, babe. You're gonna need to try this. If there's any left by the time I get done. Now that I've melted my mouth, make this. Do it.
Do it in your quarantine situation.
It's so easy, it's so cheap, it's so good, it's fresh. Or make your own bread.
I don't make my own bread. That's a pain in the butt.
I know, I wish I could.
It's
All
a
right.
pain.
Well, thank you. Let us know if you make it. Let us know how you like it. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe.
Well, that's good, babe. You're doing really good, but I'm gonna have to have a sample first.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
Okay, babe.
I'm not just a cameraman. I'm also a client.
You're also my tester.
Yeah.
Yes? Don't burn yourself.
Oh,
Hot?
hot.
A little warm? You like?
The Italian seasoning was a good ad.
I think so too.
The ricotta is really good.
And it's not too saucy. Like, there's not too much sauce. It's perfect.
It really is like a lasagna pizza. Yeah.
It's like your lasagna and French bread all in one.
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's so good.
All right. Now the video's over. And I'm taking this away from you. You've been in quarantine too long. Okay? I'm holstering your weapon. You're done. All right. See you guys.
Thank you.